Welcome to Kathleen's channel. And we have a special guest today, and the special guest is Mima Posh.
So Kathleen, thank you so much for letting me be a part of your channel.
You're welcome, Mima Posh.
Yesterday it was the Posh Paper Lady, but today I am going to be Mima Posh because Kathleen has invited me to be a part of her channel, which yesterday was my channel, but today it is
my channel.
That's right. So, y'all know what time it is.
It's time to make it.
Oh, yeah. All right, y'all. So, Kathleen has decided what she wants to do, and she has decided that she wants to decorate the front and the back of a notebook. I asked her if she wanted to put stickers on the inside, and what did you say?
Yes.
You do want to put stickers on the inside.
Oh, yes, I do.
Okay, so we're going to put the stickers on the inside, but we're going to decorate the outside first. And I'm going to help you because my studio really isn't set up for children, so I don't have a whole lot of safety items. But we're going to cut some paper for Kathleen, and then we're going to let her put the paper down on her book. So Kathleen, look, here's your book. This is the book. I cut a composition book down a little bit for Kathleen so that it would be easier for Kathleen to handle. So Kathleen, what Mima is doing is I'm just taking a measurement to see how much paper we need to cut. So what number is this?
5.
So we need to cut you a piece that's 5 inches. What's that number?
5.
Okay, so Kathleen, what we have to do, okay, is we have to cut your paper at 5 inches. So I'm going to take your paper and slide it over until, what number is that?
5.
Okay, and I'm going to take your hand, and let's put your hand right on that, and I want you to slide this all the way down. Okay, and I'm being very careful with Kathleen because we don't have safety scissors, and so we are cutting very lightly. I would only allow her to do this if I'm here with her. If she was alone, she would not be working my cutter. So now we need to do another 5, and I'll let you cut. Okay, that's one piece. Now let's do another 5 because you said you wanted to do the front and the back, right?
Oh, yes,
Watch your
I
hand.
did.
Watch your hand. Okay, I'll move it up. And now you slide it. Look at what you're doing. There you go. So the next time Kathleen comes to visit me, I will have a whole lot of safety materials because Kathleen wants to be able to craft with me. And just so you know, Kathleen did pick her own papers. I gave her a paper pad, and she chose these papers for the front. So we need to go ahead and put some glue on this so that you can put it down. And I am going to show you, I'm going to give you this brush so that you can put the glue down, okay?
Yeah. I bet it's going to be clear glue.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
And we're going to take this piece and put it in. So when you put your glue down, we're going to place the glue here. And then when you put this down, we're just going to put it down like that, okay? We're going to put this down just so that we don't get any glue on the mat. I'm going to put you some glue on here.
That's not clear glue.
It will be. It dries clear. And then you just spread it out. Yep. You might get some on your fingers, but that'll be okay.
Yeah.
You can go wash your fingers.
Guys, if you get glue on your fingers and if you're copying us, it's okay if you get glue on your fingers because this glue dries really fast.
And you can wash it off, right?
Yes, you can wash it off anytime when you're using it. Just
That's right.
make sure you have an adult by you if you're using the cutter.
That's right. Okay. And do you want to put a little bit of glue right there?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good job. You're doing a very good job. And now you're going to take this piece and just put it on like that. You're just going to put it down and cover this, okay?
Okay.
And you'll have some time to move it around if you need to.
No, it's fine right there. Look, look.
Okay. Well then, now here's my big old spatula. Go ahead and smooth it out. There you go. So now we're going to take this, and you need to add some glue here because you're going to place some glue on the back. Remember?
Yes, I am indeed.
All right, so go ahead and get your sponge and spread it out. I'm just going to take your paper, put it in the back like that. Yep, you go ahead and cover that in glue.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're doing a very good job.
Thank you for your compliments, Mima.
You are so welcome, Kathleen. You are going to be another little paper crafter, aren't you?
Yeah. And remember, guys, this is not the Posh Paper Lady. This is Mima Posh.
That's right, y'all. Today I am Mima Posh, not the Posh Paper Lady. So don't make that mistake and call me the Posh Paper Lady in the comments. When you leave a comment, she's Kathleen and I'm Mima Posh. So you want to put this piece down?
Yes, I do indeed. Thank you for your compliments and subscribe on the subscribe button. We'll be really happy to read your nice letters.
That's right. Now get your big old spatula and do what?
Smooth it out.
That's right. And Mima Posh does appreciate everybody watching her video.
Yeah.
And she really does appreciate everybody watching the video and supporting Kathleen, my budding little paper crafter. So
and I love it when you subscribe. And I like it when I get excited. My brother, I do something nice for him. He gets so excited. And I feel the same way once I share. Thank you for supporting with Mima and Kathleen. I'm really proud of you.
And straight from the mouth of babes. So, Kathleen, here are your stickers. You get to decorate your book the way that you want using your sticker sheet.
The fabulous season is about to come up, Christmas!
That's right. So,
and we have to get in the Christmas spirit. And that's why I have choose great Christmas paper and stickers to decorate my notebook.
So, do you want to place your stickers down? Which one do you want to use first?
I want to do
on your outside.
I want to do Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Because Christmas is coming up and everybody's gonna say that. I'm gonna put this little sticker on the top.
Okay.
It's a Christmas notebook, and this has to be the title if it actually is a book. And Christmas is a very special holiday that makes people have so much fun. So we're going to put this joy sticker in this top corner.
Okay. Good job.
Got to smooth it out a little.
Okay. And what's that called?
This is called...
Look at the front. Look at the front. What does that say?
It says Big
O.
Big O.
That's what it's called. Big old spatula.
Big old spatula.
You gonna put some more stickers down?
I'm going to put this present.
Okay.
These presents under here.
And you get to decorate this any way that you want because you're gonna take it home with you, right?
Yes,
and you're gonna write your stuff in it. Okay. And what does that say?
This says special delivery.
That's right. That is some very good reading you're doing.
Thank you.
Kathleen's only 7 years old, but she reads so well.
Now, I'm going to put this Christmas tree in the middle.
And you know what I like? I like how you have built up a collage, a whole group of pictures on the front.
Thank
you have like a little story being told. That's very nice.
And I am going to put some little decorations.
Okay.
Right here. I'm
on your Christmas tree?
Yes.
That's so nice.
Thank you. I am going to put that one and this little thing that I put up here.
Very nice. And y'all, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for letting me bring Kathleen on. And I really do appreciate all of the support that you guys are going to show her in the comment section. She was so thrilled, and it's something she's been looking forward to. She's wanted to come and do some crafting with you guys, and now we are doing a little notebook. Kathleen loves notebooks. She loves journals, so she is making one for her.
Oh, and I just wanted to say, this is the sticker that's mostly make Christmas the best holiday. And the presents, it's not all about the present. It's Christmas, the holiday. It's about spending time with friends and family.
Why do we celebrate Christmas?
We celebrate Christmas because it is Jesus' birthday.
That's exactly right. We celebrate Christmas because it is Jesus' birthday.
And also, I'm assuming everyone likes presents who's watching this video. So I am going to put Santa Claus's stickers on here. And it's going to go above
Okay.
A very great delivery.
Can Mima put a sticker down?
Yes, you may.
Okay.
Mima Posh.
Well, thank you, Kathleen.
You're welcome.
I'm going to take Santa, and we're going to put him right there. Like it?
Oh, yes.
Well, good. I'm glad.
And we got to get this big old spatula and spread it out.
Yes, we do.
All the stickers, not just Santa Claus.
That's right. So now do you want to flip it over and do some on the back?
Yes. Now, I worked really hard on this notebook, the cover, and since we have not put a special reindeer, we might as well put Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer on the first cover.
Yeah, let's do that.
It looks super cute.
He does.
Now, if you're doing this with fall paper, you are also correct because Thanksgiving has not started.
So you're saying this would be a really good Thanksgiving notebook too?
Oh, yes, it would.
Because what do we say? Any season, any reason, anyone, right?
Yeah.
You can make this anytime that you want.
And yes.
That's right.
Oh, and you know Santa says ho, ho, ho?
Right.
We are going to put this ho, ho, ho with a little
That's very nice.
thing.
I like how that looks. Very nice.
And the most wonderful time of the year is coming up. So we're going to put this great little cute sticker.
And what does that say?
And it says, the most wonderful time of the year.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Oh, that's cute.
That really is cute because it looks like Santa's workshop.
Yeah, and that also is Santa's workshop.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
He makes candy, lots of candy, so that's why it says candy.
Oh, nice. Nice. Okay.
And 1 minute.
I think that might be too big, but you might not think so. So you can put that wherever you want to put it.
Let's flip this over, and I'm going to put this right here so you actually get the feeling of Christmas. And I'm actually assuming that you might actually know something because I'm putting this so you flip the page, and I'm going to put all kinds of stickers in here, and I'm going to put a Merry Christmas sticker, and you can write about Christmas with almost 1,000 pages. 200, 500,
Okay.
300, 400. I am going to put this one right here.
Okay.
And I'm going to put another tree.
Unless you want to skip another page and put something
No,
else.
like
Okay.
to that page. Also, I'm going to put some of this Jolly Great stickers
Jolly well taken.
here. And that's why it says Jolly, because Santa is
It's
the
jolly.
best Christmas
He's
giver.
jolly, isn't he?
And he's the best. So that's why we call it Jolly. Have a great and jolly Christmas.
Okay, so we're going to put some more stickers down. Why don't you take the one that says the 25th or Believe and put those down?
Believe in Christmas.
I
Believe Christmas.
Oh, that's nice.
Believe
That's nice.
Christmas. Believe. And we're also we like songs, and we don't actually sing jingle bells at actual places. So we are going to put this jingle bell sticker on the top.
All right, y'all, so we wrapped up the video. Kathleen's going to give you a very quick walkthrough of this beautiful notebook that you just saw her decorate and create. And Kathleen, why did you create a Christmas notebook?
Because my favorite holiday is Christmas, and I like Christmas so much, and I like notebooks so much, so I can bind them together and make a Christmas notebook, and I can write Christmas facts.
That is beautiful. That really is beautiful. And I love how you created your colors, and you made all of these on the front. You put your stickers down beautifully. You chose really pretty colors for your notebook. Why is your notebook special?
Because I designed it.
That's right. That's right. And it's not like anybody else's, right?
You helped me choose the stickers, but I put all the stickers down.
That's right.
And I glued all the paper
That's
together.
Right. And that's what makes crafting really special, right? Because you get to make it how you want it to be. Even though I got you a sticker sheet, what did you do?
I put, because we had just a plain notebook with black polka dots. That's why we put stickers on the front.
So you have a beautiful Christmas notebook that is beautiful on the back, beautiful on the front, and you decorated some of the pages in the notebook. So what do you want to say to all the people who watched us today? So we want to tell the people what?
Have a very great Thanksgiving to all.
That is what we want to tell you guys. We want to tell you thank you so much for watching the channel. Thank you so much for supporting me always. And thank you so much for letting me have my granddaughter on camera with me. And she really does enjoy doing this. So I hope that all of the comments will be for Kathleen, because I really want to encourage her to continue to do what she's doing with her crafting and to continue to be the lively personality that she is, that no fear personality that we want to nurture in children. So as always, my friends, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.